Exploring the universe, unveiling the mysteries of SpaceX's X-37B spaceplane mission. SpaceX's X-37B spaceplane, a marvel of technology, soaring through the cosmic ocean. An audacious blend of human ingenuity and scientific discovery. Unveiling its enigma, the X-37B is an unmanned spacecraft, operated by the United States Space Force, designed for prolonged space exploration. With the ability to remain in orbit for extended periods, X-37B pushes the boundaries of what mankind knows about long-duration spaceflight. Fueled by groundbreaking technology, it's equipped with a solar panel for power and a thermal protection system to withstand re-entry heat. Each mission, a leap forward. The X-37B has been instrumental in testing new navigation systems and studying the impact of space on materials. Join us on this cosmic journey, as we unravel the science that powers SpaceX's X-37B and its quest to expand our cosmic frontiers.